everyone, today we're going to be doing a quick tutorial on how to change the language in YouTube as well as your country location. It's super quick and easy to do. And if you're new here, my name is Ken and this is Northern Viking Everyday, and we bring you videos on reviews and how-tos, so make sure you click that subscribe button so you don't miss out on upcoming videos. But let's head on over to YouTube and show you exactly how this is done. So first off, when you get to YouTube, the first thing you want to do is sign in. So up here in the top right hand corner, there is a sign in button. You can go ahead and do that. And I'm assuming you already have a YouTube or Gmail account to sign in to here. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and then we'll check right back in with you. Okay, so I'm all logged into YouTube here, and a couple things I did want to show you. If you have a look at the YouTube logo in the top left hand corner here, it has a CA after it. So that means I'm connected to the YouTube Canada site. And all the writing below it is in English. So those are the things we're going to show you how to change right now. If you go to your logo in the top right hand corner, mine happens to be my picture. Yours might be your initials if you haven't added your picture. You can go ahead and left click on that and a whole menu is going to pop up. And at the very bottom of that menu, you're going to see something that says location. And mine's set to Canada right now. Yours might be set to a different country. And if you left click on that, there's going to be a whole menu of different countries that come up that you can change your YouTube account to. So let's go ahead and change ours to Australia today. So let's click on Australia. And if you go back to the very top left-hand logo, the YouTube logo, you can notice that there's an AU after it now. So you could change your YouTube account to the Australian version. But again, all that writing is still in English. So let's go back in and change the writing to a different language. So go ahead and left click on your logo here again. And if you scroll down right in the middle, you're going to see an option that says language, and mine's selected as English. But you can go ahead and select pretty much any language you want in here. Let's go ahead and select Spanish. And notice the writing on the left-hand side when I do this, all is going to switch over to Spanish. So all the writing here on the left is in Spanish. Let's go ahead and change that to a different language. I don't know here. Let's pick French. And again, all that writing here on the left is in French. And it's that easy to change the language and the country in YouTube. So I hope this video did help you out. If it did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Also remember to subscribe to Northern Viking Everyday because I've got tons of videos coming up that I'd love to share with you. Thanks for watching and take care.